So if you guys want to come up here and share some information, please do so.
Atlantic City. Here we go. A nice boat ride.
So look around. Why would it get back? Yeah, need to see it.
Huh?
Come back here.
Come. Here we go. Colvin.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to please take care of your bartender
Guys, say hi. Down. Having a drink. Yeah. Margarita. Yeah. There we go. We are going towards the Oceanic Hotel and towards the Hard Rock.